Come test drive the 2021 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.